Day 26 is upon us, and today we're going to make our second savory green smoothie. So if you hated the last one, I'm sorry, and if you loved the last one, you're welcome. Just like with the beets, sometimes if we're very, very lucky, we go to the store and our carrots come with carrot greens. Carrot greens are also very nutritious, and they're a great green for savory green smoothies. So what you're going to do is you're going to twist them off. You're going to use these in something else, a salad, a soup, a stew, whatever. Not a green smoothie, but you will blend the greens in a savory smoothie. Boom, those go in. Next we have dill. In you go. 1 large tomato. Green onions, they're also greens. Hence, they go into a green smoothie. Just cut the roots off, give them a chop. And lemon to taste. Some people like more, some people like less. Water to help it all blend. And go time. I almost forgot, avocado. We need to make it creamy, right? Otherwise it's just kind of, the texture and the consistency isn't right. So we throw avocado in the mix. Let's do half an avocado. And you have another good savory smoothie. Now one thing I can't remember if I mentioned with the first smoothie is if you have a favorite sea vegetable, be that dulse or kelp or sea palm, you can sprinkle it on this smoothie and it turns it kind of a little bit more salty, which is nice. I tend to eat them that way pretty frequently.